Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to use our Samsung front load washing machine. This is like a basic demo for beginners. So let's check it out. We are using the Samsung front load washing machine, but some of these steps could be applicable for other brand washing machines too. But still, it is recommended to read the user manual completely. We can even download them online and keep that on our phone. We got this product from the official Samsung website, and this is also available on Amazon. I'll share the product link in the description. You can check it out after watching this video if you are interested. If you are new to front load washing machine, or if you are new to washing machine in general, then this is a basic demo for that. First we will see how to turn on and turn off the machine. Let's switch on the power plug, and we will have this power option here on the washing machine. We just have to give it a little push. That's all, turned on. And suppose if we want to turn off the machine, then we have to press it again, give it a little push. That's all. Then we will start with the drum, the place where we have to put our dirty clothes. This is the 9 kg model. So we have to make sure not to underload or overload it. Like we should not simply put one or two dresses and wash. And we should not fully fill the drum and wash. There should be some decent space at the top. Like if I insert my hand like this inside the drum, I should be able to do that freely without pushing the clothes. That means the drum is not overloaded and we can wash our clothes properly. And this is the detergent drawer. We can see 3 compartments here. This is for main wash, this is for fabric softener, and this is for pre-wash. We have a detailed video about this. I'll link it in the description. We can see the indications here. We have the 2 indication here for main wash and a flower indication here for fabric softener, and number 1 indication for pre-wash. So we can add our liquid or powder detergent here and also our fabric softener. We also have this liquid detergent guide which helps to hold the liquid detergent for a while. So this comes handy. Now we will see how to select and start our wash cycle. Selecting the wash cycle depends on the kind of clothes we have and how dirty it is. For general wash, we prefer cotton for this. We can see all the details here. We can use full load for cotton and it will take 1 hour 27 minutes. So like that, we have indications for all the cycles we select. For quick washes, we can prefer the 15 minutes quick wash. If we have limited clothes and if our clothes are not very dirty, we can try this. We have a wide range of wash cycles like towels, shirts, wool, etc. We can check them individually and we can pick the one we want. Let's do a sample washing now. I'm going to select cotton. Here we can change the temperature. If we press this once, we can change the temperature. This will fill with cold water. Likewise, we can change the rinse level and also the spin speed. We can do this manually on the machine, or we can do this on the Samsung SmartThings app. So let's put some clothes inside. We have to open the drum and we have to place the clothes at the bottom like this. Make sure we don't have anything inside the pocket. We have to check that properly. It is good if we evenly balance the drum. Then we have to close the door. Now let's add the detergent and start the wash cycle. I always prefer to add the detergent just before we start the wash cycle. I'm going to use these 2 brands. This is the liquid detergent and this is the fabric softener. Adding the right amount of detergent is really essential. We can use about 15 to 30 ml of liquid detergent for 6 to 8 kg of clothes. We can add 10 ml more if they are heavily soiled. The quantity is similar for powder detergent as well. So in our detergent drawer, we will have this marking 2. Here we have to add the liquid detergent for our main wash. We have to make sure the liquid detergent guide is here as well, this blue one. So let's put this. Now we can add the fabric softener as well. Here they have this max indication. So we have to make sure we don't overfill this. That's all. Now we can close this. So we have added the clothes to our drum, selected the right wash cycle and also added the right amount of liquid detergent and fabric softener. Now we have to select or long press this start option like this. That's all. We have started the wash cycle. The door will be automatically locked here. We can see the lock symbol in the display here. Here on this small display, we can see the progress of our wash cycle. We can see the remaining time. We can also configure Samsung SmartThings app and see everything through the app. We can track the washing process and make some changes. We can also monitor the energy consumption. We have a full separate video for this. Please check the link in the description. Just in case, right at the beginning, if we want to pause or stop the wash cycle to add or remove clothes, then we can select this start option again, and then it will show paused here in the display. Now we can open the drum door and we can add or remove the clothes inside the drum, and we can again long press this to start the wash cycle. That's all. Maintenance is very important as well. We have to clean our detergent drawer and drum and the debris filter at the bottom, even the inlet filter at the back side. Taking care of our washing machine is really essential. Please check the links in the description for detailed videos regarding this. So we will get a sound like this and the door will be unlocked after that. Okay, now we can open the door. Usually there will be 3 stages: washing, rinsing and spinning. If we have enabled pre-wash, then it will be done before the washing process. Now we can take out our clothes and we can dry them. That's all. These are the steps to use our Samsung front load washing machine. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comments section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.